Hi everybody. So today we are here to show you our RE embroidery course, like how we teach RE embroidery and what are the projects we are doing under RE embroidery. So like we have a course for RE embroidery course for 15 days, and it is a 2-hour per day sessions. In 15 days we brush up all your techniques in RE embroidery, the basic and advanced of RE embroidery, and then we help you in designing one bridal blouse. So Renika has been coming to our session for more than 15 days, and almost her course is going to complete. So like we would like to show you the designs and the techniques what we teach you in RE embroidery, the basic and advanced, and then we'll show the blouse designed by Renuka, so all of you can have a look. So Renuka, could you just how many days you have been coming to our session, Renuka?
I come for 15 days class.
Yeah.
10 days it took me to learn the techniques in RE. In 5 days, ma'am taught me how to design a blouse.
Okay, so basically what are the basic techniques what we taught you? And the first thing we would like to tell you that RE embroidery and normal embroidery has lot of difference. In a RE embroidery we work on a RE stool like this, on RE stool frame like this, which is a stool frame, and we do the work with RE needle. So RE needle, you having any RE needle with you? Okay, no problem. The RE needle is a totally a different needle with a long one. So we usually work with the RE needle on a RE frame. Normal hand embroidery is different, where you put the needle inside the thread inside the needle and you work with that. But in RE needle you work on a frame like this. So where you the thread is down and the RE needle pulls your thread up and you work on that. So these are the few other techniques we would like to show you. The basic techniques what we have taught you in class today, in class, Renuka. Could you just tell some of the names here?
Yes.
Yeah. This,
Here
yeah.
are the few basic
Yeah.
stitches. This is normal chain pattern. This is
Yeah.
a basic stitch we have
Yeah.
to learn here.
Basically the chain is the basic of RE stitch.
Yes, that is a
So
basic
yeah,
stitch.
you have to be very good at making the chain with the RE needle on the RE frame.
Yes.
Then only
Once
the
we
other
are comfortable
stitches.
in putting the chain, we can go.
Then only you'll be able to
Yes,
get the
yes.
other stitches.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is normal chain, what we are
Yeah.
doing in the beginning. And this is double chain.
Double chain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
closely we have to put 2 chains. And this is magic chain. And this is chunky,
Flat chunky.
flat chunky, and this is
Floral chunky. Yeah.
chunky with bead,
Cup chunky with sugar beads on top.
and this is bead work,
Bead work.
and this is pani work,
This is pani
pani
stitch.
stitch,
Yeah.
and this is zigzag in RE.
This is zigzag stitch in RE.
Yes, this is lacy daisy
Lazy daisy.
in RE.
Yeah.
This is bead, sugar bead.
Yeah, sugar beads with like the one with the cut curves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Jardosi,
Yeah.
and this is this I have done
Button
short
hole,
and
so long and short,
long
yeah.
and short.
Yeah.
And this is fishbone,
Yeah.
and this is the feather stitch.
Yeah.
This is zigzag.
Yeah.
Zigzag in RE. This is patchwork.
Yeah.
This mirror stitch.
Mirror stitch, kundan stitch, kundan work, lace work,
and then this
small
patch
mirror
and
work,
cut work.
small mirror work, and
Small
then
patch and cut work.
yeah.
This is sugar bead and bead stitch.
Yeah.
And this is buttonhole.
Yeah.
This is normal leaf filling. And this is padded bead work.
Padded sugar bead work,
Sugar bead and
padded
jardosi
jardosi,
and
padded
RE
thread work, RE thread work,
And this is rope stitch.
rope stitch. Yeah.
And this is mat filling.
Mat filling.
With jardosi.
Uh,
And this is jardosi leaf stitch.
uh,
And this is mirror.
mirror stitch. Yeah.
This is kundan with jardosi.
Yeah.
And this is French knot.
Yeah.
French knot I have done with patchwork. And this is butterfly stitch. And this is lace stitch. Normal lace stitch. These are the basic stitches. Now
After
we
completing,
see
we'll
that,
go to the advanced now.
Advanced.
Yeah.
Advanced. There are more stitches, but I'll show you the few. This is double buttonhole, and this is leaf stitch.
Yeah.
This is striped buttonhole, half leaf. This is embossed patchwork, and this is mirror work with RE. This is fly stitch. This is stripe leaf,
Mm.
and this is French knot.
Mm.
French knot and cloth with Jardosi.
Yeah.
Jardosi French knot.
Mm.
And this is tambu stitch.
Mm.
For leaf filling, we'll do this.
Mm.
And this is thread mat work.
Mm.
And this is kata stitch.
Mm.
We do for lace works.
Mm.
And this is zigzag.
Mm.
And this is embossed leaf.
Mm.
We'll put a thread and over on it. We'll do our work. And this is seeding in Jardosi.
Okay, so these are the basic in the first 10 sessions. When each session will be of 2 hours, we brush up all your techniques in basic and advanced RE embroidery. And after brushing up your techniques in basic and advanced RE embroidery, we start you how to design a bridal blouse for yourself. So shall we, could you just show me your blouse, what you have designed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This is
So
my
after
first
learning
blouse.
the techniques with us, this is the first blouse was Renuka has designed with us. So this is the neck, back neck, which has been done.
Beads and Jardosi. Kundan
Yeah,
Jardosi.
Kundan work, Jardosi work, and bead works. And could you just show the sleeves? Yeah. So this is the sleeve what she has done. So could you just explain like what are the stitches you have used in the sleeve, Renuka?
Yes, ma'am. Here for sleeve, I have used pani stitch.
Okay, this is pani stitch.
Yeah, this is pani stitch.
Yeah.
Here I have used beads.
Yeah.
Beads, and this is tambu stitch.
Okay.
Tambu and kundan with
Jardosi spring.
Yeah, Jardosi spring.
Okay.
Here I have put the sugar beads, small beads.
Small
Bead
sugar
stitch.
beads.
Yes.
Okay. So you have created checks with the beads, and then inside each check you have used the small sugar bead in the flower form, like a flower.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Beautiful. So this is the blouse what she has, and I think you have done some design even for front neck somewhere small. Yeah. This is basically in the blouse in front. It is going to come on the right hand side. Right hand side this will come. Okay. So very nice. So this is her first blouse what she has designed. So after 15 days session what we have given them, they are all or mostly all of them will design blouse like this. So this is the first blouse which Renika has designed, and we help her in dressing the design and incorporating the design on the blouse, where the neck will come and where the sleeve will come, and everything was taught to her, and finally she has done it. Now she is are you designing any more blouse on your
I
own?
have just started my second blouse. I'll show.
Okay,
This is
okay.
my second blouse.
Oh, this is the second blouse. So I think this is a sleeve, huh?
This is my
This
sleeve.
work you have drawn the diagram for the sleeve, I
Sleeve.
think.
This is my sleeve.
So what type of work you are going to do on this? Could you just
My
explain?
second blouse, I have planned to do mirror and jal work.
Okay. So
Here I have pasted few mirrors.
uh,
In the places where I have marked, yes, I am going to do the jal work.
okay, alternate.
Yes, alternate.
Okay.
Alternated triangles, it will come jal.
So I can assume that it will look very beautiful after you finish completing it. So after she finished completing it, we'll just show you to people once again. So could you just place your sleeve again here? That blouse here, no problem. Just put that blouse again on top of here. Yeah, the sleeve. Yeah. Now, so almost this is what in 15-20 days we have taught to Renuka, and like we are very very happy. Like whatever we have taught, and she has taken up and lot of effort she has put. Ari needs lot of practice, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
At least
100%
how many hours of work you have put in this to complete this blouse, the neck, the sleeve, and the front design, everything? How many hours of work you have
Took me
put?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks complete.
Daily you must be working two
Two to
hours,
3
2-3 hours.
Yes.
So daily, if you work from 2 hours to 3 hours, you will be able to finish one blouse like this. So that is just hold that. We'll place both together. So even the neck and the place like this, and then place the sleeve like this, both together. So it will be visible. So this is what like usually it will be. The neck and the blouse all together it will come. So this is what you can have a look. So it takes as Renuka says, it is like a 2 weeks work, and daily 2 hours 3 hours if you work, then only you'll be able to work like this. But really after working and putting all the effort, you feel very happy, no?
I'm very much happy.
Very much happy.
100% satisfied.
100%.
Yes.
How far you are satisfied to coming to our class, the way we taught you, and how we explained you, and how we helped you, and how we help you in incorporating your design? Like how far is your confidence level there, and how did you find the course what we gave you, Renuka?
My confidence level is now 100% for sure.
Oh,
Because,
we are very
something
happy.
I thought I would not be able to do, but after learning the techniques, I'm very much satisfied and I'm very happy to do my blogs on my own.
Okay, so I think now you can independently, without our support, without our help, you can independently create your own blouses. Correct?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, thank you very much, Renuka. Thank you.
Thank
We are so happy that we were able to give you 100% satisfaction. So we are so happy to know that. Wish you all the best, and wish you that you create more and more blouses, and show to all of us, so that we also get lot of ideas how to people watching you here get lot of ideas how they can create their own blouses. Thank you very much.
Thank
So
you. Thank you so
thank you
much.
viewers for watching us. Here we sign out. So if any of you are interested in this RE Jardozi course, do contact us. Do contact Mamta Creations at 98407244819, or visit our website www.mamtacreations.com for any further info. Thank you viewers. Here we sign out.